in there. And just imagine receiving from your bigger essence and sending love to that young part of you that created safety by staying small. And so you don't ever want to ask that younger consciousness to have to heal itself. You want to help your client self-identify as the bigger essence, send love to that younger part. And if your client can't do that, you make sure that you're the secure attachment doing it and track the field if they can receive. So we're both. Yeah. And so her stomach's growling, which tells me the vagus nerve is balancing to more social engagement. The attachment system is healing. Yeah, she's receiving into it. And the stomach again is making sounds. Her breathing is parasympathetic through the lower body. And so now just enjoy receiving the higher frequencies. And I'm going to fill you up. And you're helping fill yourself up too. So that's when a client can let me help them fill up and connect to their bigger essence as well as they're doing it for themselves. That's a high skilled client. So you just have to track whether you have to do it for them or if they can help you. Yeah. My brilliant love. Look at that.
It feels nice.
So how would you describe the sensation of what the metaphorical black paint before it transformed to now?
Before it felt really armored and like hard, and now it feels like it's kind of melting.
Yeah, like butter on the grill.
Yeah.
So let's just stay here a little bit. And then I want you to self-identify as the sensation and emotion of that bigger essence coming in, your core being, the black paint transforming to white paint of your true essence. And again, full transformation happens when they can feel the emotion of the bliss or the joy or the higher frequency, as well as the sensation of the tingle and flow. And so you get to learn how to track to when they're full. So sometimes you have to end when they're only half full because they're not used to being that full, and you don't want them to go into defense because they feel really too good. So right now I'm just tracking when should we stop, because that's all she can eat right now, metaphorically. You don't want her stomach bloating because she ate too big of a pizza. And so she's getting to the point where she's, if she takes any more in, she could go to defense. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, so what would your takeaway be from this session?
I think receiving from myself. Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Like, I think it's so hard, but actually it's not that hard.
Sweet. So you changed a negative belief and you found a way to really heal this deeper attachment system of giving to self. Mm-hmm. So you went from insecure to secure attachment with a couple skills. Cool. And then so what might your homework be?
Practice.
Practice. Yeah. That's how you get to Carnegie Hall. Right? Okay. Thank you. Blessings. Thank you. Blessings.